Hello friends. So today we are going to present a custom directive in Angular 9. Custom, as I told you earlier, means whenever the predefined directive are not satisfying my business requirement, so in that case I will go for the custom directive. Let's see with the example. Now I will check the yesterday's one out. Yeah, it's working. Yeah. To create the directive, we have to use the command. Yeah, suppose under the app I have to create one separate folder. It's not mandatory to create the separating folder, but yeah, if you have the multiple directive, it will be better if you arrange in a folder wise, like services. All the services we can add over here under the service folder. So use command here, ng generate directive. Okay, then under the directive folder, like suppose border black. So guys, here it is created. Now if we go into the app module.ts, see the declaration part is done by the Angular itself. We do not need to declare here in app.module.ts. Remember one point is, whenever we are going to create any components, any pipe, any service, any directive, we have to declare in the ng module. These are all my own components, like app component, my pipe, border blood directive and all. Okay, now friends, in this directive I will open this directive. See, the app border black is the selector. Actually components and the directive are the same, but difference is in components we have the template, in a directive we do not have, only the selector it is there. Yeah, so in a custom directive we have to import the renderer and element reference from the core library. So renderer of type renderer 2, and suppose this is my element of type it's my element of reference. Yeah, I will explain this. See, a renderer means whenever we are going to render any page, right, any div on the DOM, if we see, we render this page by hitting this URL, right? This is rendering, means presenting, right? Okay, and the element means this. Suppose I want to make the border of this element as a black. Okay, this is my directive. Like here when we use the button success and all, right, like this I want to create my own directive which will be make the border as a red or black. Okay, so now I will use a renderer. Dot set set style. I'm sorry. Okay, set style. Now it should, yeah, set style. Okay, then we have to use here element dot native element, and here the border radius of suppose 30 px. Okay, and here okay, yeah. Now see, I have created my own directive with the name app border black. Okay, then renderer and the element. So renderer means it will present on the UI, so it will present a set style. Okay, for the element, the on which element I want to apply this style. Okay, where we use this directive. Okay, so now the radius, border radius will be 30 px. We'll see. If I go to the template, okay, suppose for this template I'm going to use app border black, and let's see. Compile successfully. Border should change into the curve. Yeah, I think here I missed that. Yeah, now if you see guys, right, so it's become, so we can use any like suppose border color I can use, and here if I use as a red, hope it should work. Yeah, right. So this is a custom directive I can use anywhere. Now this is so suppose border black, I don't know why it's not working here. You have to explore this guys. Okay, so this is about the custom directive. I hope you got it and enjoy it guys. I will repeat. See, a renderer means whatever I want to render the changes, so for that I have to import the renderer 2, and the changes I have to set in a style, and then for which element, the native element, and then you have to put the properties here. So it is an custom directive. So thank you guys.